Hello. So, Rob, this is what I have been telling you. You see, I have 1 day and 21 hours, almost 22. 5 days and 6 days. So, I'll need 30k. 30k to unlock all the three chests. So, I'll just finish it all. So, you'll see it's not enough. No. Instead of opening the box, I will complete it by doing this. Oh, wait. I'll just upgrade this before my capital book ends. Okay. So instead of opening this, I will finish the 30k using this. When the amount is small, I used 1 minute only. But if it's full 30k, and then I needed the speed ups to do it, I'll use 5 minutes. Uh, 6 times 100 pieces and then one time 5 minutes. So that is how I open the building arms race. And then tomorrow I will open this. Tomorrow after the set. So I will open this. It will be still not enough because it will only add, how many is this? So it's still not enough, right? So 29,100, I think. So I'll just add a little bit more using speed ups to finish it and open or unlock the three chests again. So that's how I do arms race during building tech.